woman say, Abrabo said, ye tibiara, a bedroom baby, who back idea, we are in Sabre na osu. Osu breni drew Honuma, a Honumuna, when the Baba who say, Yea, rapping was a sambana me, if it's only baby. Sadia Ganara, but I'm for not to me be the hair you soon. To me be the hair was her. Na bedroom baby, I'm about you. Oh, to me cry when he has fine dates. The drew baby who's on fire, who a jow Honomo. Sometimes when the Baba who says, I didn't quite see a semono. Now you're too late. Would tell baby when you he say you are not used to. You are not used to. It's a mema baby ho. A ma baby ho. They are never satisfied with anything. No kwa. Ariyechi okwa. Ariyechi okwa. Be me ye anya hwi wenye bone. Be me ye hwi anya nwanwa. If he says nyame bo omo no, omo ata ne ho say hunters. Akono na de omo na. Na woba. Eti wan Jimmy kra, wo bibia kan kire wo sasomati. De wo ye na enkwase asem. Woni mu nkrofo a, wo mo ayama bo sa brana ene. Wo mo su. O mo nya sika ebro so. Oh. O mo nya sika ebro so. Ebi ko mani ba o. Pa. Ebi tutu akwa. Na se obi kra de ebi kra na wo kra nche danye. Obi hon weekend bi ya na ye de etu kwan ko baby. Yakoye shopping ho se shopping. Wa Saturday ho se wa Saturday. Enye fozu. Ne so ene. Bibiri di won se gonti. Obi wo hono ma hu se ade we ehun sunso aso na de ba ko hu se Bible se sinti duan de beba de na so beba dua mama se de tie bia ehun sunso aso beba me hu ade be won edru onum edru bia edru kura ye papa because eyi bia edru bia ne sunso aso wo ho se ada se wani bekum ada se be sayare no ada se be cause another way say wo ya causes effects. There are causes and their effects. So glorify Nkwasiasem. So glorify Nkwasiasem. So glorify Jantrasem. Na de owo no obi edru hon mata. Ebi ya wuni hwe. Wo ko obi daris mu na abe wo se nipa no wo japa de pa. Ba nipa na hash. Eti mana. What itifie na. Ejamai. You want to sample every man. You want to sample every man. You want to sample every zip. Baby asika will be a wobeko. No one could Easter. Now you are kasame. Dear ye did me. Minya say, I am sorry for you. I am sorry for you. So why I am so what dear? I mean Israel. And listen, it is only God who blesses and adds no sorrows to it. It is only God who blesses and adds no sorrows to it. Urade penishira usu or how enka ho. Enti sabu mekani say na ye nyame asam. Na ye say kire de ye dey. Enti obonsam so hira o. Obonsam so shira o. Na obonsam shira wa. He will add sorrows to it. What the end timely? A very short lived. I bet you. You always have to do more in order to sustain it. You always have to do something in order to sustain it. Enya dia be permanent da. Kanya mi ezi na jojo. Say be permanent dia. Na nyame asem. Ehu yin ase e be dia akire. Se obonsam hira na ye permanent hwe minim krofo obonsam hira won because obonsam hira they omo fa kwan bi so e na omo de nya won ho omo wie na omo ye ade enti se de omo a e bibia ko smooth ma ho omo ti omo na omo manyina abodam omo ti omo na omo ma basesa omo ti omo ni na ade bia ade na yo ade na wudi sika na ekoye no enyina ta nyame yensi na twetwe o ba bosi entu kwasiafo na obeta obu a wagimi so there's no point baka nipa what dream befie na wa hu dia wanyame mu a you wouldn't glorify kwasiasem You wouldn't glorify Kwasiasem. Glorify Asha, glorify Jantrasem. Bible Yaman Troy. Wouldn't Yamichi. Now you should Yami. It doesn't matter, baby, I withdrew. God can always save you. He also won't answer. I told me out here, I say, I am wise, I am brave, I am a dear, I am very intelligent. Why Jimmy Papa? Bible say, the devil is the master of all lies. He will make you wallow in abject lies. Now I'm what dream say, no. Bible say, no man can your friend Papa say bonnie, and your friend bonnie say Papa. No man can your friend Papa say bonnie. Let your friend bonnie say Papa. Into Woba Jan training. Our Tiffy. Wadada was a Bessina Koda. Bessina Menon Kushia. Bessina Mikoyi. Or Pewebu. Or Pewasel. Or Sel Wodach. Ube Wina Bebia. Or Brabonenam. Yamibe Shiawa. Or Becassi Wushiawan. Na Jezebel Bia, when you could dear Shimon, no one say what did. What kind songs of Solomon of Becachero? Was your Bema and for Wakuma and Mamma. Now a ban was swan me. Since you didn't pass, no Becachero say, but since you may pass on, me dear do Hamaguso, me cooney ho, into Bessena Menon Quada, a dear. Was when near my own was who bid it John to say Abua ye cocoon. I can yamiasa. Only yamiasama, you are the biggest fool in the world. So when in yamiasama, you are the biggest fool in the world. Then I think was some now. Drew baby Yamejiwa and the unquasia dear say now we. Talk a fool be our coin, and some quasia send be our cocky kind, a new idea be our coye. No one will say, ah, was who didn't but didn't Jojo was say, who didn't or cocoon or cocoon, eh? Yakaso cocoon. Yes, o cocoon saw the second or 2 minimum. O coon dachi. Remember? Yes, you're on some of I just obey. Obey. No, I did. No, I couldn't. No, I did. I was say. Unyamipe. And Oba. No, I do. We see. Oh, no, down. Just as out, baby. Now, oh, be. The year was so but I mean, Koda. Now, so didn't Ubikura who be us, they call woman. Jimmy Cho be our wears. Jimmy Cho be our wears. Say, do not have sexual relations with your brother's wife, for this will violate your brother. And do not have sexual relations with your daughter-in-law. Okay, remember that's a mekododo. Do not have by your 14 I'm doing. Do not violate your uncle, your father's brother, by having sexual relations with his wife, for she is your auntie. And 15 will say, do not have sexual relations with your daughter-in-law, for she is your son's wife, so you must not have sexual relations with her. Papa Penny, what's your wish? What's your name? And Calabia, when you want better. Papa Penny, why would you be a fuma? When you be a better, your uncle or a Busian guess a woman, you know, when you be a better, or a Jumma guess a woman, you know, you be a better, or a sudden guess a woman, you know, you be a better, baby, or won't be a. na you so you be enu ti neto na bia be kopani bi wo so ko nanim kakra bia na yare bi twi tim na ba be ka no enkwasiade a waye wo kokua mu ansan ya ono akasa nya na so hyen uhu a ka be bie wo eso na nani da ho no wasese nkwala tore bia kwala bia obeba betra na yire nchen no ne nada akwala bia na ne bi yire na yire ne be adwuma no ne nada be bia obepie bia no ne nada ya kwala ti se ya ne se normal. Boom. Apart from say you violate your own self. What's in your mean feel so as never feel at watching a bedroom baby, you'll be more of a liability for the land than a good than an asset. You'll be more of a liability than an asset. Said yanka microphone papa obi hobe suffer obi ankwale nyina ba nanim kotokoto no papa honorable eboni dini ade adwaman kwasi ade the office na si ho no mo osofo office no wa violate office no wosi wodi we ye nyame nipa wodi ye nyame nipa wosi wodi we ye nyame adwuma awurade se asase no eba fi wato achene eno so ti na ne na munro so no. If you said the woman say nyame ankasa wo ho nyame owo ho dem wa ye won a wo hyehyɛ no no wo mo ye clear wo mo hyehyɛ nyame yie no wo mo na nya nyame ho ayi anim so ene animpa wo mo na urade wono so tia wo see he is the rewarder of those who diligently seek him. Osafo, can you call yourself say nyame adwuma na wo ye papa? Asafwe nyame adwuma na wo ye na wo the office church office wo the aye pawn house yi nyame adwuma na wo ye na wo the church office wo the adani pono house church office wo the adani pawn house ho na wo hwe pono ho na wo ne matida ho na wo ye kwasiade bia you are perverse. Na dia na wo ye no mame ka che say nyame kra na etase the fact that wo dey nyame din ato so no you are cursed as if they don't even know. What's honorable our area when they get in constituency where we who call a ministry where we be a bedroom bia eja maye ye pa adwuma ti obi a honorable na wutwi wondi ma me kan kire won kasa wonim ba bia wokọ na me brief you kakre said ye ehu no ka hu ka do sabe guti wasere urade boniface papa mafun ye mo bebre we are desecrating the land ya say wo man na ye te so no ye di fia ka wo man no ye di ofia ka nyame adwuma ye di fia ka ba bia ye te opinion leader my foot krofo wo amu tu di wachi sa omo di se ni papa wa so ni se di pa eni omo funu na wo ye okunkum bi na wo ri bi wo ni ebi ni mu nyinsan na ade anko a ade ni e bi eso akira wo we nya wo ba bia se nkwala yi honorable here we have a friends in Yaminipa ejuma won panifo akwala young girl akwa school abre oba be pa ejuma kakra papa we ya itu nani ansiga isu say me ne wa na dia me ma wa ejuma nyame wo ho oh nyame wo ho na me da bia me kama sem here me say wo pa kan from Genesis to Revelations ade nyame Bible ni nyina is about nyame ni nipa enante na nipa ewo ma na nipa che won ho aye bone na urade buafu na wa che won so wa kunkum bi ebu a wa hye wan se mo bekoto na mo serena na wa sanso apejam eno ti o se me man amabo wondi afre won obetwe won ho afiri won bone ho eja kwase asam ye eja tutu asam eja kwase ade papa ebusia na ufiri hwewachi hwa wo maame no papa bia na wodi nachi hwa wo area na wo free baby na wo te kura na map mpo hihye ho nyame allocate wo de what na baby kwase ade nko na we emma nyina de won ho agim emma nyina de won ho agim ene ma bi anya position kakra omo ne mamu anyina beda omo ne mamu bia beda wani driver da wani security da wani hwan da obi oni ni be business bi aje so ne da obi oni ni be business bi obi so business aje so ne da wani we da say I'm securing my position mama when you pass we jimi o mama when you pass we jimi na woni made a wunja na chi dia ma wo ma na woni omo ofie na woni made a wunja chire dia ma wo ma na enu ti na oche we ni na wo ma use cocaine no enu ti na oche we ni na wo ma shiwi no enu nyame yensi na twehwe o nyame yensi na twehwe anytime Israel for ni nyame na tin omo nyame pe omo sempe pepe omo se omo kwa ne nyame hira won sa omo sa top woni no me omo adwesa bon no na wurade kunkum wo kum ho na wo hyo na wo say den dabi Sodom and Gomorrah enye nyame na na bo okun mu nyina o okun mu nyina ye say Sodom Gomorrah any environment nyina okun mu odija hye o nyina no abreso wa fancy enkum pe nyina say bibia wo wiase. That is the God we are talking about. God is all loving. Listen. All loving. God can be sweet when he wants to be sweet. But that same God can punish you. Okun mama kan church say doctor. Okun enche na enye ne nwanwa sa o. Na anu he atore bi osofu bi ma peje mo ho ti say de mu dit asoro ho. Mure fi de na anu Elijah ka kire urade say aka wonu nko a urade ka say kan anu tum na bebre wo ho. I am the last prophet. I am the first prophet. I am the dear neighbor. God can even raise stones to worship him. Meteha. The Bonkrophone deliverance will be my answer. Meteha. I make things happen through the Holy Spirit. If it's a woody yamian yamano and can we answer for Kakojedu and we answer the Akomako forming organization the other can we say here God is more than enough. But won't you know? Kwasi adinkutoni adia wonjiji. Enti ene kwa yeti said obi kura ho no nasa o kanya me asama ene te sesa nipa no ye hu se ye hu nipa no na wasa we o congregation we what is your church office? What is your church office? Busa huma me muso asamo. And the coronavirus be we are see. Auditorium sakese air conditions yo. Ni nyina ye waste. What you say nyame esi na twetwe ho. And the coronavirus by auditorium sakese. Ai jeje. Mu efe. Minim so for go timi brage de na air conditions a. Ehye na so dem nyina timi de brage. You places no. Ma, if you are renting a place, let's say you are paying for it. And then your coronavirus have any pan man sorry any idea. And then we church auditorium no say na me na ba ya. And ka we church auditorium o congregation no I made up of the elites in society, made up of one ever hifa. Sanso na so the position bra e be see you there bi o. E bi ate no. Penifo say emre eni nkaso. E bia wo se bia no condition is ever permanent. You be you free home. It is so. Ane ban. Wo dey the one. Hwe ho yi. Maame asomasie. Sabre wani abre wo ho. Na woni nkwala nkete. Wo sisi wo almost so jam person mo secure position. Ti madam so ne meda. Madam she da trick ni sa. Beto me Brazil mu. Be yese sa. Obehu ana madam trick no ne na da. Ene kosi sen mame ene kosi sen afo be wi echi na tachi yi we free so na afro kwasi ade a wo yenya na twetwere wo yanko. Do not have 16. Do not have sexual relations with your brother's wife, for this will violate your brother. Uni abema. Said ye kind. Who was it? Minia, we are with me, my woman. we are want me my woman. We are want me my woman. Me bra na anwo nti me ne here ne eda. Oba ne pa me chew. Said the me ne tie no and opa me chew and I agreed to do it for. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Do not have sexual relations with both a man and both a woman and her daughter. Or say, do not have sexual relations with both a woman and her daughter. Ubuha, okofa wobi. No afa ne baka ho. Enti obako fo okofie ho no mo no. Enkwase ade na okoye ofie ho. Okofie no mo. One maame ne da. Maame ne hu no first. And of a boyfriend. And he went so and we who know. Who send a man in bow. The bunny young. And he was started saying, what a that? And I feel the Daniel Simbi. Thomas Stone, whoever. May thunder strike you wherever you are. May thunder. May the Lord's thunder. I strike you with it. What do you help you? Na wadwe nyina ya o se ubu nature kwasia we say you are fooling somebody. You are not fooling anybody. Wankasa ebedi wani ebe kontia. If you say wadwe nyina say I'm outsmarting this woman, me ne ba na da, me ne ma me ne so da e di ntia ye be ma me ska. If I'm a baby, if I'm a misika, and I say, "Emma, me no be ma me ne ka, ne ba na so peme, enti me ne ba na hihye ho na." Are you all right? Are you all right? Are you that stupid? But I say na oni enna, ene ne ba, enyina da. Ye wo maya bi so saa na omo te e. Wo mo so ne ye gya, ene ne ba, eda. One year jack and in a back and that. When you will be a coffin, my hand of our hand, our new hand or one was sunny or hand so back. That's also to any way that, no way that, any way that, no way that. Eh, do not have sexual relations with both a woman and her daughter, and do not take her granddaughter. Your maybe why I almost say we are smart. I'm from say I'm a playboy. Me wherever I get to, I'm able to destroy. Yes, because I'm endowed. Nyame asira no enti oduru ba bia eno no de koye nkwase ade. Enti oduru ba bia woni maame da, woni ne bada, woni nananyina eda. Enti obaako fo ho why no fanboy mo sanko fo no mo mpa adwuma no. Why no fanboy no odi nkwase asem sa. Nyame obebusa. Nyame ibubisa. Tenko. And or say they are close relatives, and this will be a wicked act. That will be a wicked act. It's a say why you're panic, but it's also it's more decent. Go. Obi say while your wife is here. While your wife is living, do not marry her sister or have sexual relations with her, for they would be rivals. A man of brady on your baby ada. Wana sibiwa, wawani your baby. Wasanso, ene ne nuya eda. And I do know Kuntawa Uno or Baba son and new book. Nanny Kun and an sister Kito Eda. It be to me, yeah, abortions, abominations in the air castle. Abominable act. But the woman say, Papa, Mommy, more news flash. Mommy, Mama news flash. Sanyo mana wo ye no ankasa woni nsunsan so. Answer why you ready for it or when you're ready you beba wo so. nyame ebegu anim ase wo hu ebekire wo wanim begu ase wo ni omapa ebeka etire awari enye nyina nyina usuban awa wo yiri enwu nyina nyina usuban tore bia ne de akoda ma saa ne masu no okikam ma menye dai ube komu no na ye enye obi a ejira usuban kwasi ade bi a waye nyomofunu bi a waye ti duabo bi di nachi eno de abetena fie ho eno ba so sebe ese ho na ewi akokọ anani abo eti oba so akwa na aware no ne te ena be me bayi boni so ni nyina asem na nipa ne kan he no enioma wo ye no automatic ones wo mu nyina aba ne so edit because be man akope no once ultimi shane ho so ultimi control onim se we yemia onim se wadafo ye obemba bi ho no ha o gise we hu ne yire adafo one ne beda gise we hu ne yire nia one ne beda gise we hu church member one ne beda gise eje nko a gise we hu church member one ne beda gise we hu obi obe no one ne beda obi we kire one ne beda nipa ne bepajuma one ne beda obi betade one ne beda ede nko a what is na da kwa kofa samai. You are sleeping with everyone. You're scared just because you feel say you have the libido and you have the power for it. Oh yes, for me I can do this, I can do that, I can do this. You are very stupid. What's it? Do not have sexual relations with a woman during her period of menstruation, for it is impurity. Do not have any sexual relations with a woman during her period. But what do we see? What do we see? And it will be across here. Sebema know that's our time now. And you cement your relationship. Then you have a stronger bond. Then you are very stupid. You have a stronger bond. And no net in your mother be about. There be the opposite can say any day Yamika and no correct. The opposite can say the name is a Yamin Yobia. If it's a woman who won't answer, it's the Yamia can be a would own fine answer. How do you go to that extent? Now, time on now. A Bujasufi, as I said, be sink on. Kusiana ebeda wa fertilizer eno ankasa asai na ba besen yakon sa brena be man timi hye no so kakra kakra sa bre obaby say mommy that's when I feel honey hey baby that's when you feel honey baby e be wi achire na di bia because mama chiro moja amecho bibi moja apam ana moja ade bia e attractive ahon me chire wade moja attractive ahon both nyame hon eni obunsama hon ye di moja na frɛ wo me chire bibi ye di boja na frɛ wo it is a woni obi da obra wenya ne mensisa. Why not have an opportunity? Because Mama can't tell. Yes, we and a man, the way of atonement is a sign you. Time I yes, you come moi near the boja, near the appetite. You come moi, now you're the ensign Mojani, near the acoke conceptors. You come moi, you cham wetty, near you or brebo or sabo. Because wa brebo wa liver ene wa kidneys na ene anwa sade wa ho omo fanye hwe omo yi ni nyina na ya hye ene ye fa ne bent offering no bent offering na nye ho enam ni nyina na ye tai shi o ye hye radio yi the ye fatty side e bi ho so a kan o de ya kan the book of Leviticus ya kan beginning Obetire oniyoma bebre, you be amazed. Eti boja ne yede ya apam. Eti woja ma wonto ani abre na wadru u period the time na sese ukura wo sie na wonni behemma bi hia dodo na akrobo wakwa no nware na po wa wo kunkura one ne ti ho no enye Yesu a obe aton ni ya wo twa saa de ni maka oba kura yesi onya ne mense sense so be ni ku oba obu ni sense so be ni ku yesi mani so bibia ye be mani wo de yakoka ye be mani de one of these days me be kan gbe mani so bibia ye ni ku dia mani meho onna be bi eno na ma ayi nkrofo e bi nya bi omo di gina so a omo de yankwase ade bebre no na wo de time na sa boja na e bana esese oti wo ho na sa bread honi ahohom konya apam tie me ahohom na ani omunya apam because ahohom no moja no na body friend dodo na wodi wachi dada o pe bibi aye dada ana wodi boja no so sa friend to wodi boja no friend no pe kwaba it is that time no no wabonde it is a lot of my friend says spiritual marriages every baby time unya o menses on be machia obi say mommy that's the only time I feel very horny Idris Abena I don't know yeah but the woman say why yes auntie who ni team tie eti brena moja na eba no sa brena person no kunhia na o renew the vow with you enya hwe enyame na reveal it no me hunkonkon eti sa brena wani abrena also say that's why I feel honey of course he will make you feel honey that time to feel honey na so no kun no boyfriend ekohia oni nipa na ne wo no kokohia ebi a obi kun biku a wa mpana bi oni ne kokohia the more oni nipa no kokohia oni ni hia ya abra that to me no enya it's a lot of mo amani abrea Mommy, benya ma since I was spiritual marriage, but every baby, every day we are, you know. I want to and a pam to take it place. And a pam be a di boja pam, di boja and a breaky. Uncle. So I say, do not have sexual relations with your woman during her period of menstrual impurity. Do not defile yourself by having intercourse with your neighbor's wife. Ubu hon ma he onye obi ku okotare ohu obi yire okotare ohu obi ku okotare you can see your neighbor not necessarily say obi ane ne bofi pam obi a wono so te say wow no so aware ni ku aware ne yire em wani mre no obi hon ma he be ma o ti area obi ku pie ya no akoshe woni ne yire koda ba o ti area obi yire tu kwanya sister be da ho 5 days amen desi a wasakro basa de ni nyina ya te santuma bi ni akekere saa na yari aba wontama no edi wa chi saa beduru hanom wa hwe ya afa wonti ase why apam bi why enioma bi enseda nkoyie obonsam hold na wurade se na so wonim se woni padua no ye media na obi biara wo be se ni padua na wurade se mesew wan ga say you was say wo be se ni padua wo only need the authorization to do something with it na wo be use se ni padua na dia ye no wurade se wo no with impunity wo be se I said the way you so idea, we could idea any more. Eh, why you want to call a water for from? Why be? I will just walk a water for from. We need to me be what? Gee, I know I don't want me. You be ma. Be so how be water pepe. So we need energy. Bisu obe ware pepe. Awo mo. What you say a story? What do you? I'm sure say next year dey beba. I'm sure say next 2 years beba. Emma. Because to me be I don't want to happen. But I hope so I'm not scary. Me chiro nyame asem. Eno ni me duty. Ma nkyere wa ma ye nyame boni. na no Samuel can say me pese me ye boni etie nyame say me decide say me nkyere wodi nyame ansem. It is my duty to tell you, to show you. Ene me kyere na we hu emu bebre wa ye bompa ye still ye boni no go. But we don't see it. Ya yes anti akokwa yen. Enko. If you see your neighbor's wife, do not have sex with her. Do not permit any of your children to be offered as a sacrifice to any god. For you must not bring shame on the name of your God, for I am the Lord. Onkrophobia honma ya Ghana yo bebre honma ibinum ye trokosi ibinum honma woko to say dates ne so any ade antoanom ne ade yo onkrophobia ha ya hyeda de omamom abusua bi ede ne baby bo ha na yesi obia oye boni bi di nipa betuaka onku no so she serving ewo ho obi honoma na wawo na say anase bia papa no koye boni bi okodi obi ka ade sa those times and troko system. I don't know whether it's still there anyway. Na wode ne ba no de akwakosi ewrande se hwe na wanye bi na obi hono kra na ode obi ka ye kan say bi fa no se bosompe wo kra ye kan say well ode obi ka na wade papa ne ka papa ne say ne be ware oba na teka o say ne be ware oba na wade ne ba na ma obi obi abebe ware ne ba this me wura de bichi sanyo ma ye huneti ni was do not violate your uncle, your father's brother, by having sexual relations with his wife, for she is your auntie. Go on my Draman auntie. Akotena baby. Ofa ne say ofa be me wu wo na ye do be me ko practice. Ofa yiri dwamanfo bi wote ne nchen ana wo som no wa beti kitikiti ofa de apetition eku ne hwa eti papa no maame no ade wo ana ode aye replacement say I don't want to go outside. And because you see, your uncle is your uncle, so why don't you just do it so that the baby will come from the family? And again, because you resemble your uncle, nobody will know. Now, mama, that's how I entice you with something beautiful. Now, when you and you want to sleep with your uncle's wife, what the end how they cover resurrection? Everybody say, Sadia maybe an hour being and as a wobusiano. A detestable. Let's so bet you was so. Who bet you? Was it now kind? What you drew down on you? Was it be you at watch me or mining? Because be you at watch me or mining. Was your mind never fell at watch me? Baby, I watch no a befel and the papa be a good out a befel and India. A befel because for the 1 year. If one man out, baby, what's his star so long? No, so ninicum. And that. Nanango. Eh, as messy. What's his star? Or no, say one. And he have found machine. Now your parents be almost to me to listen. Nyame asem ye nyame asem o. Enyame na me ba be church new mama ka say it is all right to do it. I know say to there be a software perverse that software be. I able to even convince you say good now you can do it. Enti oh sister ngo ene se ni kunu so ma pene so dia ene enye hwe say your sister na wo ama no. Wa na ka kire o. Wa na ka kire o. Forbidding sexual practices. And only topic, you know. So I said, do not sleep with your uncle's wife. And you be that. Oh, uncle, the bear man, so I out of one. The bear man, munya, the bear man, yeah, Juma. The bear messa. And yeah, mammy can't tell. I brought Tibia, said your Tibia, obey you. Said your Tibia, it doesn't matter your today. Obey you. There are a lot of people who didn't know said they were going to get to where they are today, but today they are there. It's a don't defile yourself by making and taking some decisions we are very affected with that. If it's the one here, urefia, unimu krano. Joseph, Tamaya tono, every ni krum, niniam no moton, no de coma, and then echo Egypt, no. Nippon didn't call Egypt, and also called no de name Potiphar as his slave. Ewo fee. If you are the minini pass, who got na madam Pewasama, where we and I'm a boy. Now, Madame Susan Castle, no better can hold ya, and you can where we. And so Joseph can say, baby, or say, you must never have sexual relations with a close relative, for I am the Lord. And no one can enough. The second one was say, do not violate your father by having sexual relations with your mother. And you may be absurdities. How? And quite be so perverse. Any woman I know that. Be also mammy be one must be. Why Jimmy? Afrana dream. Into your be on status or church on one about bearman kakran. Qualani quala brim. Tiakwalani got used to it. Tiakwala kitwa, on the mameda. When you do baby, on the mameda. People do it. And then crofoko yesika drew. Omuni mamma no mother. Omun ro omokoyen. Omu they sleep with their mothers. You must not have sexual relations with her, for she is your mother. Do not have sexual relations with any of your father's wives, for this will violate your father. Listen. If you are here, can say your father's wife. Maybe you have old dream who say your father's wife. Oh, papa girlfriend. Eka who? Ubu ha who said papa ne papa eware ne mama. Ne papa ni obi twimpra. Girl ni a small girl. And so the papa use. Now one no akwa. The woman say, wakasa watono make a see abrodo daso. Edi amamu. Yenko. It doesn't you can say your father's wife and not necessarily say, oh papa yire. Oh papa oh papa girlfriend. I was yes small girl. Now papa ko young girl bi. We say that pa de girl we cry so ya mi mummy side. Papa pa de mi mummy na me person wo so ni girl ni hyehyɛ. Na girl no so na ni age wo mumu ho. It happens. Also, for this will violate your father. Do not have sexual relations with your sister or half sister, whether she is your father's daughter or your mother's daughter, whether she was born into your household or somewhere else. May tell the genesis of your problem. But atama winyi uno cousin be die. Winyi uno brother no die. Now we say, oh near mama and papa. Oh ma sache debut. They said they all say winyi 18 years who we are good. One and the aqua see die. Does it make you clean? Does it make you clean? No. You are still very much guilty. You are very much guilty of that offense. Ache, as we do it, go. As I knew, man, and your how be unthinkable or how. Go. Do not have sexual relations. Whether she was born into your household or somewhere else. Do not have, but your 10, no. Or say, do not have sexual relations with your granddaughter, whether she is your son's daughter or your daughter's daughter, for this will violate yourself. What will go on? You can't go on and yes, when you was you, there you. Spiritually, you have violated yourself. What don't want to say now, okay? And over whom papa, now you heard papa penibi. I want one in a ba. Not that or the aqualana tan so. No baqualana din. In yammy why, into free why. Na papa didn't babble to an aqualaketwa. Na qualana both said, damn in pesa. Damn in pesa. Papa ni bana da sa bedrus abri. Na die hu no say to de bia wo de yanchi wo. You are violating a cousin. You are violating a brother. You are violating one who pedophile. And now we a young boy na wo fie ho. And now only kwada ne de dan kakra. Why do you answer we mama and papa? Hey, young boy, mama can't know. Wo no me soon said e tie nie. No me what you say. A curse is a curse. You are doomed. I just hope we are the chow. Now come money. They will the chow. Will be a young boy to fear. Guess baby no good. When you be other, only me no you other. When you be other, you will babies who honor when Jimmy Tip on cost. Body, this will be unconscious one any better. My many papa, my many papa that one day, and I bought and call almost so good down back home. How many of who did that? Now we need, but it doesn't exempt you. Tin your man I cost for a brabo. If free baby, I'll start. Oh, say, Mudo do an ambassador, and now that's what you now work classing. Or so that man, I'm work classing. We saw that number class 1. We saw that debut. What's the now class 1? The class is in a year school. Yeah, the general literally at the mass stages because who go school determines who call him. It's here the Usun the NS who said, me were classroom man, none were crèche, none were JSS, none were where a child will say, well, bravo, stop it at crèche. A child will say, the Kuna Ukoya and I didn't see what bravo, a stop it will can't call our JSS. A child will say, new man calls who are bravo, now what you say, you are gone. No. A stop it, what bravo, it is a clock, time when ejina ho no betu kwan by hwa ne jina enti eno nti na ya na wo be so na na wo da so okro kire wo se wa brabo a wo bo ye no ade bi e be frɛ mu no it stopped your normal flow, your normal process na wo di yin no wo de kɔ wani mu no wo di nya nsira no it stopped it at class 5 eno nti na yi school de kire wo no nya disem any dreams me have been gifted with that. But the woman say, "Eradi yino wo bebu." Inti na odema obi a wo he nyansafo. Hwe obi biare ni ho ahonhon konkro ni ni so a obetimi a kire odaye mu da. Kan correct because saade enye wo na me wo kan odaya. Bi wo kra na me nim na musa honhon say what does it mean? What does it mean? No wo kire mase. No wo kire mase. Tu be kan be mi no wo kire mase. Eti wo be hu no wo say ma me semester na bia na me te classroom there bi kire wo say si a wo dwen say wo wie university e wo say okuta masters by natural fact your life is stopped at class 1 anu everybody becomes man makwatena Italy anye yi baba si akoland anye yi matura exams bi anye yi physical exams ma pass abrabo mu so kra de ko na nanu ma me bom pa yes ha de bia me so na me te classroom we JSS ni class 5 ni class 6 ni ade afedi me na wo hihye pa bom ma ye boy ma nya mi ko bi emi ne da no kra de me o se me re ho yi me fere ma mi hu ye no se na me wo crèche ti urade ka kire o se ade stop e wa brabo no when you are bringing out God. Ubom paya ne urade bie so no akire where you are. Eti afo beti weni no. Say na wo church abo pampers kufu. Wadun so abo to. Wako toilet abo to. Na ade na mo. Ko. Was do not have sexual relations with your grandfather. your granddaughter, whether she is your son's daughter or your daughter's daughter, for this will violate yourself. 11. Also, do not have sexual relations with your step sister. Half sister. Umami. Ede wako ware papa bi. Ukoye no tie. Ukoye na papa no wone mma. Oso umami nso ede won so ekwa aware ni bi. Enkwala na ewa ware mu nyina mu ye nuanom edi entia. Umami ne papa no edi mojafra. Umami ne papa no omomo jafra. So it makes you, whether she was born elsewhere or otherwise. Woni eti wonka se we nyame maame ba enyame papa ba ti na ne deda obi kura kwa to the extent of having a baby with a sister, but who ye na what when you are at say hwinsi da bi o abo nya na me kire o de nyame de ye me ka se me me ne se sabre mu me meta na me kire mu obi kura ne papa o obi ni ni aba ma wo ba obi ho no ma kwala na wo no mo no efi ho no mo ko ho no abadwin se eye ono again no ne last born, and so anya ne last born say, please, your number, I need to talk to you with you during this week, please. I need interpretation of a dream. Waba, their voice message, if I told me, me are machine. Waba, when you are too free, I pretended to say the see. That's when you say, Moja friend had a woo be. I call I will him, some friend is a union, some friend is a ubo. A lot of people. I am only a woman of God here to interpret things to you. Do not have sexual relations with your stepsister, the daughter of any of your father's wives, for she is your sister. Do not have sexual relations with your father's sister. Unyi na o papa omo last born no onene boso munyina wo ye the same age, and I say okra bo anyi che ne kakra o papa ne maame o ne last born no time o papa anyi dada enti girl ne wo ye the same age, and o better na o papa nchen because ne brother penny na so ne munyina mo boso and na munyina mo gude na one nada one nadeda when you muje odi nyameka odi abozanfo nso ka omo bedan oka regardless of years, months, days ababa trip yenko. I say, do not have sexual relations with your father's sister. Aye. For she is your father's close relative. 13. Or say, do not have sexual relations with your mother's sister. I mean, you have to so a play out the same. I mean, you have to answer no ya wono or we can ye nina ne mama cry a wono now mammy and ye dada. Any a woman to no crown, I mean a share, but walk around and mammy wound them. It's a woman, I any nearby, and a shame. Maybe your better than chain, but that time now, mammy so or won't him to cry when you chain. Now, she said, listen, I know what I'm talking about. These incidents, a sissy will me be brave. The papa brain won't you know what that. But I only said a trim. A yen is set a trim. But the truth is, say, Bonnie trim. Said the audio be car. Would you be car so? Would you make our Ghana now to now quatra US? I can ash it. Would you be car? Our China, every one more Babetna Ghana. I can ash it. And you When you know who says I didn't cry check oh yes wait hey da wo be che no be bo mini mu se tito e wona be unze se ka no se unti ai di ope bia obetimi dia ye obetimi abodua e be ya adwuma obetimi report wa ma police se wetu afri hono makotra o mai fufuro obetimi report wo dia ma interpol ye de wo beba obetimi ohun obetimi ajo so acho twetwere de atwetwe atete wata de atete obrazia nyina mu possible dey dia sika no ache na so wo de ne ka na wo ne ka wo de ne ka tubu ha young girl utifie enkrofo ne oda unuanom ne oda brothers ne oda mo koshi wi ba na wo de omo de wo ye practice nyame awadom sesi awaye all polished up wesi on wutimi ko school kakra nti wenya ba bia je wa start adwuma fine wo bo belt ya kama wo body so kakra nti weje ja ho ne ade aware emma ede entia if you say what the mujafra you have gone against the laws of nature aware emma because you have defiled yourself, you have violated yourself, and you'll be na ye wa eso edru baby no ah wani ba ho so no wo kai but wo kai a na wo di akwa akwhye wo subconscious mu wo kai o mu a wo bon pa ye na nyame a drop kakra no wa kai o na wa se dey ye free o say we kra dey say see ya che oh well oh we dey search it is search and now to now so that na fe wo church or when ya be so that na fe wo Joe SS1 won ti ase what a class more presence be anu afeli won ti ase e kire wo se baby a wo free ba no in fact one cross so enko me meka no kura na kire wo ya pa but that's the truth eno ni ade a enne nyame asofo yemu bebre ya nye ye ka no kura baby ansam wo na sese ye kire nipa na ni party me de ne ho na ni ba ne ho so ye nkire tu wo se ni ejeja ye ho sa na makrofo nyina adwen se bibia ye normal David e catch us the atonement of sin and open a different but bonnie said the Old Testament bonnie tie no sa na New Testament bonnie na me hu no but just a New Testament bonnie no we dwan to Yesu a no the boja no wo de ahokoro wo hu nyina wo pa ne chewa oso ye no kwafo ene tenani ni se wo de be chew wo agi wa firi ne ntire nyina mu ti ade bi wo ha unlock be ade bi wo ha hu bebre wo no ma de unlock ma wo e bibi kitu e bi padlock ena ayi sei ena bibi aso mo sei so nya ka obone ni wi ana bi esi pa